Hey guys, Iceman here. Welcome to Carnegie State Vehicle Recreation Area. Just out here for a short ride on this Sunday. I haven't posted a vlog in a few weeks, so it was time for me to say something. So, I hope you guys are doing good. I want to give you a weight loss update, man. So officially, as of today, I have entered Wonderland. A lot of traffic here. If you're unfamiliar with what Wonderland means, it's the concept where someone's 200, 300 pounds and they get down to 199 pounds or lower. Wonder, like the number starts with the one, Wonderland. And I'm just totally stoked about that. I really, big accomplishment. I mean, it's 65 pounds. In reality, I was a little over 265. I started this weight loss journey. Oh man, I'm feeling good. I need suspension work. My bike's bouncy. It's set for when I was, 250 pounds. I got my 4-3 valve. Did a goal of 230. No way. In my mind, and I thought I was going to lift this weight. I'm just freaking stoked, man. I mean, you hear all these people, oh, I lost 60 pounds, and you're like, good for them. Well, no, I'm one of those people. I mean, the truth is, it's just because I made a decision. There's nothing special about me. I just wanted to lose the weight. And I decided it was time, and I did it. And as part of my weight loss stuff, for those who don't follow my other social medias, I started a 100-day fitness challenge. Today, I believe, is day 18, probably later when this video is actually posted. Basically, my fitness challenge is to do something for my fitness every single day. Sometimes it's going to be little, but I've been trying to make it pretty good. One of the things I'm doing is I established that I can now jog a 5K at about 45 minutes. It's not a great pace, but I want to do better. It's better than not doing it. So what I decided to do is, a lot of you are familiar with Couch to 5K. Couch to 5K is a walk jog program to get you from the couch to walking and jogging a 5K in, I think it's 6 weeks or something. And I mean, it's an awesome program for those who struggle with running. It slowly builds up your endurance and gets to the point where you can start running a 5K 3 times a week. I've modified that program for my needs. Rather than doing it as a walk jog, I try doing it as a jog run. So on the jog sequences, I'm trying to do it at about a run pace, not a fast run pace, but fast for me because I'm horribly out of shape. But yeah, about 6 miles per hour, which is about 10-minute mile pace. And then on the walking portions, I'm doing a jog, which is about my 5K pace, 45 minutes, about 4.5 to 5 miles per hour. And I've done 2 weeks of it. It's not easy, but man, it gives me something to follow. And I'm definitely improving my fitness that way. Now on the other days I'm doing cross training. Anywhere from running to the arc trainer. Or a day like this, riding my bike. I'm actually wearing my heart rate strap right now, so I'm kind of curious how many calories I'm burning. Definitely been a workout. My fitness goal is slightly separate from my weight goal. I'm really trying to get fit again. I want to race in January. So if anyone wants to sponsor me, let me know. Send me a message. But I've been working really hard. I'll put see if I can put a post on my Instagram. I'm actually posting a picture every single day to kind of photo journal my process. Probably make a video out of it. Someone's burning bean oil, it smells good. But yeah, just journaling my progress. I just really want to get to that point again where it's not exhausting to do things. And my fitness, I think after 100 days will be significantly improved. I don't plan to stop then, but it's kind of accountability. You guys keep me in check. If I don't post one day, you're all going to yell at me. So it's great. I mean, first time in my life I joined the gym. For all, I know a lot of people might hate on this, but I'm going to that gym with all the purple stuff. But, you know, money's tight. I can even spend a bunch of money on the gym before I can spend $10 a month at this place and come riding and make these videos. And man, I'm just loving it. If you guys have any questions or want a more specific video about, you know, what I'm doing for fitness or weight loss, let me know in those comments down there. Don't forget to hit that like. Don't forget to subscribe. Anything really helps, guys. And if you like what I'm doing, just let me know. I mean, I get, you know, not the most amount of views, but there's at least 60 of you watching my videos. It'd be kind of nice to know what you guys think. And I'd like to know what you guys want to see. I know there's a lot of content out there on YouTube, and it's hard to be unique. So, just let me know what you guys want to see, what you would like to see change. This is Ice Bear. And we expect an update about my LASIK and scheduled on November 1st. I'll check you guys out later. Just keep on riding, keep on being you. And remember, never give up, never quit.